Hello traders, hope you are all doing good. So market has moved here and there up and down, in the sense I wouldn't say it volatile, but it was kind of moving. I think market moved from 18,000, it went all the way. It opened at 18,078, it went all the way to 18,125 and closed at 17,950 or 964 levels. Although my terminal is showing 18,000, it has closed at 18,000, but my chart is showing 17,964. So we will have to wait and let my broker update the charts or whatever system or terminal. So what was the reason? Global market was not really bad, it was performing good. US markets were in the green, European, Asian markets all were in the green. Despite all this happening, earlier what used to happen is, when the US markets or when the US futures was in the green, we also used to trade in the green. Now US futures, European, Asian markets are in the green, but there is some reason behind, or what I don't know. We are not able to touch the lifetime high, or we are not able to touch our previous lifetime high, which is 18,600. Now if you see in my previous video, I think last Friday I posted a video, Saturday I didn't post any video, Sunday I posted, and Monday, yesterday, there was some broadband issue. It is raining heavily in South India and there was a broadband issue, so my internet provider was rectifying that, so I couldn't post any video yesterday. So in my last video about the market, what I told is that FIIs have been net buyers when the market went from where it came from 17,925, it went all the way to 18,000. I told the bulls are back. We put a thumbnail that bulls are back, but I told in that video that this is just a pause. FIIs have been net sellers for October series, whole of October series. They have sold for around 25,000 crore, and in November series till now they have sold for 5,000 crore, and last two trading sessions they have bought for around 800 crores. So what I was saying is that the selling will accentuate, and this is just a pause. They will begin selling after 2 or 3 trading session, and I am sure that has happened today, and I am sure FIIs would have sold heavily. Still now I have been checking, FII data has not come. So the last figure was 15th, they have bought for around 424 crores. And if you see this data, this data, none of the Nifty 50 heavyweights were performing. Reliance was down, I think, Reliance was down by 1.25% somewhere, one second, Reliance was down by 2.3%. and if you see the banking pack, all the banking pack were not performers. SBI was down by 2.3%, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, only 3 or 4 bank, AU Small Finance Bank was performing, and small banks, non-heavyweight companies or stocks were performing in the banking pack. Bank Nifty was the main reason for this drag. Bank Nifty is down by around, I think, 500 or 600 points from today's day's high. So with that being said, and if you see the Nifty 50, if you see the open interest, there is massive high open interest at 38,500. I am talking about Bank Nifty. There is a highest open interest is at 38,500, followed by 39,000. And if you see the weekly option of Nifty, there is high open interest at 81,100, followed by 18,200, 18,300, 18,400. So people are writing straddles at 18,000. Massive straddle writing is happening in 18,000, and we have only 2 more trading session for the expiry this week, 3rd week expiry. After that, there is only 5 trading session left. After this, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is holiday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is Guru Nanak Jayanti, so it is a trading holiday. So we are just left with 3, maybe hardly 7 or 8 trading session. So this month was kind of even though market, if you see the market, it has not moved much. It has been violently moving between 18,400, 18,500 levels to 17,800. Now previous time when the market came to around 17,900, it was able to regain and it was able to touch 18,200. Are we going to face the same issue tomorrow? I don't know. We will have to wait and see. Now probably what I'm thinking is that this Dow futures, I think US futures are firmly in the green, and even European markets are firmly in the green. We are likely to go on the upside only tomorrow. Maybe gap up will happen. Nifty will try to regain 18,000. It will try to move towards 18,100, 150 levels. Then you know what is going to happen. Then people will try to bring it down. So we have been experiencing this kind of move for the last 2 or 3 weeks. So for now, my stance is I am kind of neutral. I am expecting the market to expire between 17,800 to 18,200. So that is what the level we are trading at. Let's see how things pan out. Otherwise, global markets are really firm and there is no reason for us to go down, or we are kind of consolidating with high swings on the upside and low side. So that's what I see. So it might be very tough, but things are like this only for the last 3 or 4 weeks. So let's see how things pan out. Another important thing I want to discuss is, I'm not sure if you have noticed, if you see this one, if you would have noticed this one, I am currently at I'll go to March 2022 option chain, and if you see here, it's been really good. Whoever did a long-term short straddle or even strangle would have made good money. 16,000 and 20,000 strangle made good money. Forget that even 18,500 straddle is making good money. 18,000 straddle is making excellent money. Today alone, straddles, long-term straddle, that is 18,000 straddle, has given a profit of around 70 points. So long-term options is also a good idea in this kind of consolidating market. And if you had taken a short straddle at long-term short straddle even before 1 week or 2 weeks, when the India VIX was around 17 or 18, not 18, around 17 or 17.5%, by now you would have made excellent money. I'm not denying about there is good about long-term options, but the downside is you have to know how to manage it. You have to remember, long-term option doesn't have liquidity. You will have slippages, so you couldn't liquidate immediately like what you are doing in weekly option and monthly option. There is liquidity problem and slippages problem. You might get into trouble if you don't know how to manage long-term option. So you have to remember. So I am not, it doesn't mean, even though I show good profits in long-term option, now I am talking about this option trend. It doesn't mean you will have to take it. You can take it. You can go for long-term option, but you will need to know how to manage long-term option. That is the key here. So with that being said, I hope we will have a good and pleasant trading session tomorrow. Let's hope for the best. Nothing much to talk. It was really a calm day. If we had not this volatile move, we would have peacefully traded today. Anyway, this is our part of trading career. So we'll see what happens and we'll see how things pan out tomorrow. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.